the Fuhrer is making us go on a hike, but I mean, we're happy about it. We want to go.
Yeah, we're happy.
Gus is happy.
And Jeannie are ready, and
Gus is out the door.
I'm ready. Yeah, we're all getting ready to go. Oh, Val's got a toolbox or something.
Okay, well, you guys.
What's wrong with
What do you got? Oh my gosh, what does Val have?
Fire starter. This is a fire starter.
Oh my gosh, we just better put that in the car.
Yes, a fire starter.
Where did you
and
get
then
this?
This is my survival kit.
From your car?
Yes, and this is
Wow.
first aid.
Oh, we gotta pack
Band-Aids,
that.
Oh, that's a good idea.
A brush in case we need to look good.
For the camera.
Flashlight.
For the rescue
What was
Yeah.
that? A brush?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, for the rescue people.
Brush. And also, it's also a self-defense.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo!
Excellent, Gus. Thank you.
Look, there's nothing back there that can hurt you. Nothing back there that will move and make
I'll
noise.
just bring our car food. Better
Gus, look at Teresa.
He's got his own little look here. You put your head, there's a pillow for